She's back in the spotlight after a long period of time. So, Miss Pretty Amrita, where have you been?
Yeah, so I guess this year I have 3 films releasing, including Jolly LLB, which was a super duper success. It was completely not intentional. In fact, I would say it was accidental because I had these 3 films that were already signed and sealed. I was given signing amounts, I was interviewed, and I was talking about these films. One was an AB Corp film which had Mr. Bachchan, which had Arjun Rampal coincidentally. Here I was like my chart and my calendar was completely full. And suddenly both the films didn't take off as on a project level. So it was like a sudden jolt and during which there were other films that came my way and I couldn't take them.
You're totally awestruck by Mr. Bachchan. Did he tease you or something? We heard few little birdie telling us that he used to tease you on the sets. Tell us something more about that.
Yeah, he teased me about not sharing my tiffin box with him. He teased me for the longest time on that one because that was the first day of shoot and I was like hugging something because it was like past lunchtime and I obviously looked at him and I gave him a great like sweet smile. He met me, asked me, "Khana khaya apne madam?" So that became like really embarrassing for me.
There are a lot of speculations that you and Kareena won't talk to each other on the sets. No, you're not even like cordial to each other. Was it true?
Oh my God, I think you should see some of the behind the scenes footage then. Kareena is wonderful. I just felt really proud to be sharing the screen space with her because every time I looked at her, it was like, wow, Raj Kapoor's daughter and I are going to be in the same frame. One of the most effortlessly beautiful actresses we have seen. I think she hardly wore any makeup in the film.
As an actor, don't you feel you should be seen more, in films? I'm sure every interview people must have asked you the same thing, but don't you think the rough patch that, came for a brief period of time does affect?
I won't say it was rough. Yeah, it was like the pace had gone slower. And I did have a lot of people, like I walked in at airports and at the security check, I would have people telling me, "Ma'am, aap kyun itna kam filmein karte ho?" It was by default, it was not intentional. I have not been like really choosy about films. Yes, I've been careful about the kind of films I've chosen to be a part of because I know that's all I'm going to own one day when I look back. And I have no godfather in the film industry.